Hello, this time I'll show you how to download an MP3 or a song from YouTube. So first you go on youtube.com, choose a song from what you want. Let's say Yani, choose one, choose this one, stop it, go before YouTube, go to the link and type link, L-I-N-K, before the YouTube word, press enter. You'll see the load options. Press on the load options. If it doesn't load from the first time, just do it twice. Here you see MP4, 3GP twice for 2 resolutions. And there's listen. Listen is the MP3. Just hit on the MP3. Hit on continue twice. If it doesn't load, hit twice. Look here to start. It's converting now into MP3. 100%. It went downloading. Press on the song.
Thank you.
You'll see it MP3 and full length. It's wherever you download your things from the internet. It might go to see users downloads. See wherever you download it, or you can just see it's all the songs have been downloaded. Used to be this website, but now it's not. It's not working anymore. It used to be YouTube mp3.org. Then it show you like here to put the link and it will convert it for you, but now it's not working. They stopped it since a while. So yes, this is the way, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for the channel and share the video with the person who needs it. Thanks.